If you're wondering why the live option is missing or not showing on your Instagram account, you are not alone. Many users are experiencing the same issue, and in this video, I'll explain why the option might be missing. Previously, any user with an account in good standing was generally eligible to go live on the platform. This meant that all users, regardless of their follower count, could go live as long as they met the age and guideline requirements. However, Instagram has recently changed the rules and imposed new limitations on its live stream feature. As of now, only Instagram users with a public account who have 1,000 followers or more can start a live broadcast. This policy began rolling out in some regions over the last few months and is still being implemented gradually. So that means in regions where the 1,000 follower rule is in effect, accounts with fewer followers will not see the live option available. On the other side, this rollout is still region specific, so in some countries, small accounts can still go live. Therefore, if you have more than 1,000 followers but can't see the live option, it might be a technical issue. In that case, you may need to update your Instagram app to the latest version or even clear cache, and also you can uninstall and reinstall the app. So if you found this helpful, please give a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comment section, and subscribe for more updates.